specific policies have given us a platform where we as an individual can excel in our businesses. Collectively, we as a team in BNI help each other in generating more businesses for our co-members. Policies like Givers Gain, Refer, One-to-One and many more in BNI has given us a new understanding of business.
After I joined BNI, I realized how easily marketing can be done. Before I used to do newspaper advertising, billboards, that would cost me around 1 or 2 lakhs. But only 30,000 a year can give me so much of business. That has worked wonders for me.
I've been marketing for hundreds of companies. But in BNI, I realized the fact when people market for me, I have 55 friends who come in the morning with a lot of enthusiasm, start up the day with beautiful speeches, and you also learn how to talk. So in BNI, I realized the fact where you don't spend money and you actually market your products.
We thought that businesses are to be advertised. Now we understand that it is you who can do that for your members, and there are members who will do it for you.
In business, network is more important than your net worth. And to increase your network, BNI is the best platform.
BNI has given me a new business window that I never ever had before. Projects. Earlier I used to do just retail and wholesale. Today I have a lineup of projects in hand. Thanks for the referrals that I keep getting. Business may be down for some of my competitors, but for me, I have a lot in hand. Thank you, BNI.
BNI has given us such a platform where we can generate more referrals and know more people by socializing as well, which is very important for me being into event industry, because as I need to meet more and more people, it would help me generating more business. So I really thank BNI for giving such an opportunity, a platform to Siliguri where we can change the way we do business. Thank you.
This idea of BNI has given a new understanding in my business. Now I try to get more specific results in my businesses. References have been the great going act for us. We never knew that reference can be so productive. Leads and references are very different. This is all what BNI teaches us. A presentation of 30 seconds or a feature presentation of 8 minutes are so effective for understanding our businesses and making the co-members understand about what our business are. Thank you BNI for being in Siliguri.